Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to withdraw money from Sugargoo website. To do so, first you need to go to their website. After going to the website, you have to log in. After login to your account, you can see your account name here. Go to your account name, click on it. After clicking on it, it will take you to another window where you can see it will show you my balance, your points and coupons. First, you need to go to my balance, click on my balance and you can see the top up and withdraw options here. So you can either top up your money or you can withdraw also from here. I hope you find this video useful. If it does, then please like and share our video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.